Right then, right, welcome back to the channel. Just an update really. Friend's lawn reno is getting on nicely. We've got another, by the time you watch this one you would have watched a few of the others anyway. We're down to about 1.5 tons of crap soil to sift through the stone and all that crap. We've done what, 3.5. We've shifted about 2 tons from the original garden, and now we've shifted about another 1.5 tons, 2.5 tons, so about 5 tons in total. By the end of it, we would have shifted about 7, I think. But this is just an update on the front lawn. It needs a cut. I haven't had a cut for 9 days, and the back I had a cut for 9 days. I've been really busy over there daily doing that, so I'm just going to give you an update on the seed. And I planted the not doing too, still wet actually, can't really cut it, it's too wet. You won't believe all this lot was all dead. Well, come. We had weedkiller, real weedkiller. It's going back quite well. Of course, we've got loads of leaves. Just coming up to that time again. So we've got to do this. Been too busy doing my friend's lawn to worry about my lawn. But yeah, not too bad. A few mushrooms lying around, which basically tells you lawn is pretty healthy. Well, it's the most can't believe the grass is still wet. Mind you, that's a wetting agent on it, so keeps it nice and moist. Yeah, we're a bit long. Probably 3 inches, maybe. I'll take you around the back now. You can have a look at the back. I've got 2 little cats. They're not little, but hey. Right, so I'm doing some germination again for my mum's lawn. I've got to do a little space, so 12 fescue soaked in soil conditioner. Change daily. It's been about 3 weeks now. It don't germinate very well. It's so hard to germinate. I'm going to take it at the back. You can see the back lawn. There's like been some rhubarb. Come on next weekend. I'm tired of being out here for a while. Look at the weeds. is quite long as well. This is creeping rye back here. And a bit of an overseed with tall fescue. So yeah, that's a bit long. A bit lang. Still growing quite well. Got cut about, it must have been at least 9 days ago. Yeah, compost base is doing well. Looks like we're doing some weeding today. I think the grass is wet, isn't it? Yeah, not as wet as the front. Anyway, that's a little update. I'll be cutting the lawn today. The mower's in there. So yeah. Right. See you on the next one.